Exercise 1.5 says we should express the following in standard form. 2 hundredths. 2 hundredths can be written as 2 divided by 100, and this can be expressed as 0.02. 0.02 in the sense that the first place value is said to be tenth, and this is hundredth. So you can either write it as 2 over 100, and when you express it in decimal, as I taught you, it's going to be 0.02. Number 2, 12 hundredths. 12 hundredths is also expressed as 12 over 100, which is equal to 0.12. So this can also be said to be 12 hundredths. 3, 9/10. 9/10 is said to be 9 over 10, and 9 over 10 can be expressed as 0.9. 10th place value is what they are talking about. 19th hundredths. Now, I'm not going to be expressing it as a fraction. I'll just go straight ahead to express it as a decimal number. 19th hundredths, this is said to be 0. The first place value is tenth, and the second place value is 100. So this is going to be 19 hundredths, or you can call it as 19 divided by 100, and this is what you will get. 2 tenths. 2 tenths is said to be 0.2. 7 millionths is said to be 0. This is tenth, this is hundredth, this is thousand, this is tens of thousands, this is hundreds of thousands, and this is millions. So we have 7 millions. So 7 is to be at the millionth place value, of which I'll come again. This is tenth, this is hundredth, this is thousands, this is tens of thousands, this is hundreds of thousands, and this is millions. Number 7 is 37 thousandths. So you can either say 37 divided by 1,000 and simplify it, which I will write as 37 divided by 1,000, and thereafter you move the decimal point. Whichever method that is convenient for you, you use it. Now you move the decimal point 3 times to the left. This becomes 1, 2, 3, and this is said to be 0.037. For this is the thousandth, and for this is the 10th place value, this is the 100th place value, and this is the 1,000th place value. So the last digit will always fall under the 1,000th place value.